You're enjoying your ride and all of a sudden hear a noise. Now it's time to pull over and talk about your roadside toolkit. The toolkit that comes with your motorcycle from the factory, it's basically a joke. So you're going to want to carry tools that can get you out of most situations on your motorcycle. Let's jump in and talk about your roadside toolkit. This is my main motorcycle and the one that I do the most touring miles on. So I have outfitted this motorcycle with a couple extra things, from tools to get me out of most situations, spare gas, to extra USB adapters to keep all of my electronics up and running. This saddlebag is filled with tools I never take out, so they're with me for every single ride. So this is what is in my saddlebag every single day. Tire repairs should be very high up on your list. In my case, I have tubeless tires, so I can plug them with these strips, and then I've got these CO2 canisters to give me a little shot of air to get me off the highway. Or if you have tube tires, familiarize yourself with how to quickly change a tube and get yourself off the road. You also need to have the assortment of wrenches and hex keys to work on your motorcycle. And a really good practice to do is, can you work on your motorcycle with just the items in your bag, even while you're at home? If you can't, it's time to add something to your kit. I've got lots of different adapters to keep helmet communication, cameras, my phone charged just in case you ever need help. And some of these locking wrenches can be very helpful if you lose something like a shifter peg or a lever. You can actually put it on and get yourself home at least. Would it truly be motorcycling without zip ties? And I've got the Law Tigers Rider Benefit Card in my saddlebag. Law Tigers are America's motorcycle lawyers that will go to bat to make sure that you get the compensation you deserve if you're ever injured in a motorcycle accident. This wonderful oil wrench is the perfect example that your kit will likely grow and expand with you. 70,000 miles and 2 cracked oil filters later, this guy made its way into my bag to make life easier should it ever happen again. And last ditch effort, make sure that you have motorcycle towing. Not every car policy includes motorcycle towing. All of this has helped me get off the side of the road, and I've happily pulled over to help some others. I hope that this helps prepare you a little bit more. There are some helpful links in the description. My name is Alyssa, and I will see you in the next one.